All right, today is going to be a little bit different of a day.
Yeah, so it's a 66 Mustang that I got 2 years ago now. So the car's originally from California, and it's got a 289 engine in it. In pretty impeccable shape for any other type of cars you see around here. We got it on the road this year. Some might say it shouldn't have been passed, but we don't agree with those people.
And the thing about this car, so one of the reasons why he was able to pick it up, because the car originally came from California, and the reason why he was lucky enough to get this is because it had a little smooch in the garage in California. We got it straightened out, but it was a lot worse. As well as in the front, it had been hit, so we put a new Chinesium fender on there. We had to put a windshield in it as well. So today,
we've been doing a 5-lug swap.
yeah, so we got a set of Kragers. They're pretty shot.
I got them just for the little skulls right here.
Skulls are a theme with this car. Looks like the freaking Terminator. We have a set of spindles. So where are the spindles at? Oh, there's the old fender. There's the old gas tank. I'm gonna go get my gloves. Freaking idiot. Oh my god. We got one big freaking spindle. Actually, it's good wheel bearings, dude. I believe they're 75 to 80 Granada spindles. It was a 6-cylinder before. Yeah. But now it's got a 289 in it, and she's gonna have a 5-lug.
My fly's been open this whole time. I was like, why is it so breezy? My fly was open for that whole start of that video.
That's okay. We can edit over it. So that's a good deal. I think that deal. One side at a time. This is for. Do you remember what side this was for?
Yeah, but I just can't remember what side it was for.
Yeah, me either. As you can see, we're kind of morons. Listen, this car likes us, okay? This thing had been touched, but it abused it, drove it into its garage twice.
The guy did have dementia.
Thank you for that guy, because it wouldn't be here. Callum also did order a set of 289 springs. So we gotta jack this up and pull the wheel off and just start stripping this thing apart. You wanna grab the nut buster?
He wasn't kidding.
.289 C code. You know why it's a C code? Because the 2-barrel carburetor. This thing has the Amazon special radiator.
The Amazon carburetor.
And the Amazon carburetor. Okay, this is a Motorcraft.
Can't see it right now.
Motorcraft 2150. Okay, you hear? It 2100 is the 65, 66 model. They don't sell that, so we had to get the 2150. Okay. You see here? You see how shiny that thing is now?
In the alleyway. You guys want the Patreon?
All right, let's remove the spindles and get them out of here so we can move on to bigger and better brakes. So we got to remove the ball joint nuts, the castle nuts, off of lower ball joint. Then we're going to do the upper ball joint. And then we already separated the tie rod end. So once this drops down, then we got to disconnect the torsion bar and the sway bar.
Now we gotta separate this from the controller, because this controller is gonna be replaced. So we gotta disconnect this torsion bar, disconnect the sway bar, and then this will be all out and ready to put the new control arm in. And we gotta pull out that spring. And bada boom, bada bing. Get that going. Definitely this side.
The controller?
Yeah, that's what I'm telling myself.
No, it was, because remember, you could feel it on the right side.
Yeah, it totally was, dude.
Like, remember when I picked it up on way earlier?
Oh my god.
And you were like, be careful. Like, I was like, you're like, I know you're excited about the trail pass, but just remember, this control arm shouldn't have passed.
This.
Oh, next video, guys. Body work on the Mustang.
Next thing we got to do is we got to remove the inline 6 springs and replace them with 289 springs, which turned out to be quite the eventful moment.
And this piece right here, this.
What did we call in this garage?
With the springs compressed, we get them into place, get them put in that pocket there.
We are now putting in the control arm. The old one was shot. I hope.
Like I said, we're going to be putting in 75 Granada spindles. We've since decided to change it to the V8 brakes rather than using the Granada spindles just because of the geometry and the steering. But for now, we want to put the 5-lug wheels on, so we're rocking these spindles, no calipers. And, yeah.
We gotta. Okay. That's cool.
Looks way more like a Mustang is supposed to look. Yeah, it looks way better.
I just want to feel the difference in spring.
A car's gonna look like Ramon from Cars.
How this is constructed a Bondo.
Yeah.
That's all Bondo in there.
Don't be showing the people the Bondo.
Like if you got a magnet, I don't think it would stick to that.
Hey, don't worry about it.
What is it? Right where I thought. So, we got this side on. The tie rods do not line up. Callum had to order tie rod sleeves for a Granada. 75 Granada. We also ordered a master cylinder. You don't have to order the CJ Pony Parts kit. Unless CJ, if you want to sponsor us, then you have to order the kit. The biggest thing is the spring. That's the hardest thing to get in is the spring. Come on, get in the shot. Okay. Get in the shot, damn it. I don't pay you for nothing. No good. Alright, you two, we're gonna see how fast we can do this.
Now, let's just repeat what we did on the other side on this side.
Back into, got my name into.
Yeah.
Easy. This is gonna be hard.
shoes for Sophia at custody drop off. Yeah, he was acting up this weekend.
Dude, I don't ever want to do the one that's
Did you replace some now?
Nope. Am I gonna? Probably not.
Not anymore. I can't see them. Hey, great success.
All right. Callum has something he would like to show you. Thank you, Rock Auto.
Show the viewers what do we get?
Caliper repair kit.
It's
It's
brake
the brake
hoses.
hoses.
Brake
That's not
hoses.
what we needed. That looks like a master cylinder. Is it a master cylinder?
All stuff we didn't need right away.
Dude, I'm so satisfied that that spring is in and we don't have to touch that.
By the way, I took it out for funsies.
I don't know what I do. I'd say, you're cut off from talking. Well, I'm putting this minimal butt on there. What we got in the hole? We now have this bad girl on. So Callum's gonna do the due diligence and get the wheel. So we can put it on. So we can drive this thing with no front brakes. Woo! There's a big old bulge. All right, people. You guys get to come on a road trip.
But first, we gotta pull the back wheels off so we can put the tires on the new Kragers.
No. Am I mocking?
With a little bit of movie magic, we'll be back in the garage with the tires already changed, dropping the axle.
You go like that. Me comment. We also pull.
Like at the gym.
Tell him to make wheel designs for different bolt packs. Yeah, we gotta do the other side. Watch the.
Just doing it for the car. You know it's like years. Dude, doesn't it almost look like it's like higher in front?
I was actually thinking that.
There's some that have that lip to it.
That looks killer. What do you have to say?
Looks like a real Mustang.
You guys
The
see
new
that?
wheels make a big difference. Ignore the dirty paint.
Like and subscribe. Yeah, like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like it if you did. Maybe subscribe. Just subscribe if you want. You can subscribe.
No
Subscribe. No rush. No rush. Nations if you do. But yeah, we still have a lot of work to do. So we want to get this car going probably next month. Middle of next month. So I'm gonna make a list of parts of what this guy needs to order. And send them over. Send it over to him. Then he's gonna order the parts. Like that. Take care, guys.